Danny sir.
Still no Danny was online.
Okay, sir. Avinash sir, we'll go for class.
Okay.
So last class, what we have seen, you remember, was we have to get the brush up and all the things because it's a single long period gap. So maybe one and a half month.
Yeah, 1.5 month. Yeah.
Yeah. So we need to make some brush up, or else we'll start the classes. That means where we left, we'll continue from there. Or you want any brush up?
Yeah, you need to brush me up, man.
Fine. So brush up means you want brush up for a C sharp as well?
Not C sharp. I need about the labels. You were talking about the buttons labels.
Yeah, you want ASP.NET brush up, right?
Yeah, ASP.NET. Yeah.
So we start from ASP.NET. From the first, we'll see the glance. Okay. So what we have seen from till previous class. That means we have seen the controls, right?
Yeah.
So we have seen all the controls. So next thing, I just open that Visual Studio now. Okay. I am just opening a new website. Okay, you know how to open the new website, right?
Yeah, Mahesh,
So
I need more about this drop-down list one. I need to okay, you open that so that I can tell you.
Yeah, fine, that is good. So you know how to open, right? You are familiar with how to open the projects and website, right?
Yeah, ASP.NET.
To open, right?
Yeah,
so I just minimize this.
Yeah, file, new website.
Yeah, file, new website. That means file, new website. So if it is a project, that means if it is a C# program, then file, new project.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's for C#. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Okay. So I have opened one website. Okay. File, new website. So this is the website, the page. Okay. We have two things. Solution Explorer, right? Solution Explorer will be display all the pages. What are the pages we have, and what are the pages we are creating. That has been project is complete list. So next we have properties. So properties, we know that for each and every controls we have properties. So label, for text box, checkbox, drop-down list, variable. So all different controls we have different properties. So we can all the properties will be displayed in properties tab. Okay. So you can see the center button like a screw type of button.
Yes, sir.
So either you can make auto hide or either you can close. Okay. So whenever you require, you can just select this and make it as this is straight away.
Okay, sir.
So if you make like this, it will be standard. It won't hide. If you want to make it hide, you can just make like this. If you want to hide, just make one more click. It should be vertical. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is a default ASPX page.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So do you remember all the tags? HTML, head, body, form, div?
Yeah.
So you have any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So I'll just explain one more time. Okay. Okay. So first line, right? This.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, Mani. This is Sati. Yeah. Sorry to interrupt you guys.
I said, yeah. I said, yeah.
I'm sorry I was late, but I just thought of joining the classes and talking to you before you actually started the class. I got your email and totally,
because it's a bit difficult to because Saturdays and Sundays weekends now. So
I understand, but 5 weeks were late.
Yeah, correct. Even I also understand that because I am the one responsible for this class. So even Dennis also can't do it because he has assigned me for this. So if he calls also, I'm just out of the station. I'm just traveling here and there. So Even
Yeah, that's not a problem. You know, whatever is done is done. But from now on,
Yeah.
I just much want you
Yeah,
to
yeah.
concentrate more on this. And I will be
Yeah, yeah,
attending
correct,
every
correct.
class to see the status of my brother Avinash. And please make sure that you cover everything and in detail.
Sure,
So,
sure.
Just talking about the classes, right? Until what are the classes done? Like the basic HTML pages you're trying to do, or until what? The coding has been started, or can you give me an update of where we are regarding the class?
No, you are asking update for past class or what I'm taking now? So what
No,
update you require?
until what you covered until now.
So we covered C# program, okay?
Okay.
So in .NET we have three things, okay? So one is ASP.NET,
Yes.
okay? And another one is C#.NET,
Perfect.
and another one VB.NET we have,
Perfect.
okay? So we have just done C#.NET.
Okay.
We have just completed C#.NET. I asked Avinash to practice some programs. If he gets doubts, we can just clarify on what doubts he has on which program he's working on. So we can just discuss when class is going on. Okay.
Okay. So when
So
you
we
say
are just
.NET, right? So you covered all the programs like the class and variables and everything.
yeah. I covered all the things. What the thing is, I have on the content, the course material content I have, which is formatted by me. Okay, I just taken some glance from the internet and I searched for that content. So I just prepared one content. I think I forwarded to Avinash also. So if I didn't forward, so I just forwarded to Avinash as well as you also. Okay. So what are the class I am taking? You can just make a mark on that. You can just tick mark on that.
Okay.
So at last, after completing the content, at last what are the topics we missed, we can just cover that also, because you know the thing and we know the thing. So what's going on the classes, what things are updating and everything.
Yeah.
Is it fine, right?
I just want to know regarding this because I usually do the programming in Java and SAS. So I have a little idea, so I can help my brother until wherever you done.
Yeah.
I can help.
Yeah, sure. I'll just forward the document. I just forward the content document at the end of the class today. Okay. And we will fix one timings for the Saturday and Sunday. At particular time, we just fix the timing also.
Okay.
Okay. Probably
So
you can join. Avinash can join, and I can also take the classes. So we'll get that all. We'll just finish up the things as soon as possible. Because, we'll just take it all the content, all the topic. Because I don't need to miss any topic also. I need to cover because it's already 1 month late now. So we'll just try to complete.
We'll just make it no problem the way you guys, the online faculty does this training. But the only thing I was concerned was the date. So yeah, please go ahead and do what you're doing. I'll be joining every class and
Sure.
looking into that. And Avinash, you're fine with the timing, right?
Yeah.
So at what time? 4:30 or 4 o'clock? Every weekend. 4 o'clock.
If
So
you are available at 3 o'clock also, I'm okay.
Because Saturday, Sundays anyway, I'm okay for 3 o'clock also.
Yeah, better to keep it 3 o'clock.
So 3 to 5 we'll fix the time, okay? From tomorrow onwards.
Yeah, okay, 3 to 5.
Every Saturday and Sunday, 3 to 5 the classes.
Yeah, okay.
So,
okay, sir.
Steve, are you online?
I think he left.
Okay, that's okay. But Mani, that's the only thing I want to talk to you, and thanks a lot. But
thank you.
Try to concentrate on the classes and make sure.
Sure.
Yeah, I will stay for a class for a while, and I will be leaving. But Avinash, if any concerns, talk to Mani. He's going to take care of everything. And Mani, thanks for the email which you sent. I really.
Thank you. I want to apologize the thing because I don't have email ID, so I cannot able to.
I understand because I do training. I work in office and I do training on SAS too for the.
Yeah, because I'm working in Bangalore. Okay, so every weekend I have to come to my native place. Okay, native place is Bangalore to Vellore. So Vellore is some 5 to 6 hours journey from Bangalore to Vellore. So I will just travel night. Okay, so it's just missing the time. So from today we'll just make it up. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll just take care of everything from today.
Yeah, I don't want to take much time of your class. You know, just keep going. I'll be online and I might drop out in an half an hour. Okay?
Sure. Yes.
Go ahead with
Thank
your-
you. Thank you, Mr.
All right. Thanks, Mani.
Avinash?
Yeah, Manisha.
Yeah, we'll just start the class, okay?
Okay.
So this is the default page, okay?
Okay.
The first and the yellow color what we have, right? The percentage symbol.
Yeah.
Okay. So this line is called a page directive line, okay? Page directive.
Yeah, page directive line. Okay.
Page directive. So in this page, in this line, what we are defining is we are defining the language, the page language. So we have page language as C# because we have selected the C# language. So by default it came as C#. If it is VB.NET, then the language will be VB.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay. But it's
Next.
ASP.NET. No, we are talking.
Yeah, we are talking about ASP.NET, right? So we are
Then why
working
did
on
we use
ASP.NET.
C# here?
The code behind we have what we have now. We have two files. When you're getting on ASPX page, we have two files. One is ASP.NET page and another one is ASPXPS.cs. That is code behind file.
Okay.
Right? So I am just showing. So when selecting the new file, select website. Okay. So here you can just find the two pages, two files. One is ASP.NET website you are selecting. Fine.
Okay.
And the location where the file should be stored, where the website should be stored.
Yeah.
And we have language over here. Which language you are going to use?
Yeah. Visual C#. Okay.
Visual Basic or Visual C#. So we are just dealing into C#. So we have selected the C# program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So once we select OK, you will just get this page. You will get two files. One is ASPX, one is ASPX.cs, the C# file.
Okay. This is page directive line.
Yes, sir. First one is page. Yeah, yellow one is page directive line. The first line.
Page directing line.
Okay. Yeah, you can also modify. If you want to modify something, you can just type whatever you require. Okay. So I am just given a space over here and just see. You can just type. You can just have whatever the thing you require for the particular website, or particular page. Okay. We'll just discuss what all going to give later on. Because it's the basic classes, so we are just leaving as it is, not dealing with the page, not dealing with the line.
Okay.
Okay. So next one we have auto event wire up.
Okay.
Okay. So we have seen each and controls will have an event, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
So if you double click the particular event, particular control, you will get an event.
Yes, sir.
So we are making that auto event wire up. When you double click, it automatically eventing up,
Yes, sir.
right? We automatically getting an event for each and every control.
Each and every control. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is it making us true. For example, you can just see over here we have two things. One is design split source. This is a source code page.
Yeah, and design.
We can split that source and we can see the design. Meanwhile, we have design. So in the designs,
Yeah.
we are going to drag and drop the tools. Either you can drag and drop, or either you can write the source code.
Yes,
We have
sir.
two things. It's better to write the code. Okay. So no need to drag and drop. Okay. We have tools. Tools box is this in this here. We have first one is Solution Explorer, second properties window, object browser, toolbox.
Toolbox.
Just select toolbox. You will find the toolbox over here. Okay. Just make auto hide for this. This also auto hide. So now what tool you want? You want one label. Just drag and drop on label. Fine.
Yes, sir.
The label came over here. So just select label and double click. It has no
Yeah, you
event
get
for
an
label.
event.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we don't have event for label. So automatically coming back to this page, the source code page. For example, if you drag and drop any button, okay, just drag and drop any button. And I'm just making. So if you double click the button, so you will get the event. The event name is called click event,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
So this one we are just defining in the page directive. That means auto event wire up. So automatically its eventing is wire up.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Automatically, okay. So next line is, the next one is code file.
Code.
Okay. Code file. What is the file name for that? File name is the C# file name. So default.aspx.cs. Okay. So this one is inherits. It's nothing but inheriting the multiple pages. So for example, I have this page, okay, and I am creating one more default page, default 2.aspx. Assume let's consider this an example. Okay. I am having default 2.aspx. So I need to inherit to these two pages. Okay, that is inheritance. The base class and derived class, what we have seen in C# now.
Yes, sir.
So we have the base class and we have derived class. So we are just deriving the classes, right? Like the type. So you can just search over. You can just add default 2.aspx. So it's automatically the page will be added. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the first line, page directive.
Okay.
Okay. So understood, right? First line.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No doubts. So next line is doc type. Okay.
Okay.
This symbol, since this symbol, right?
Okay.
That is called declaration.
Declaration.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
The first, this one, what we have percentage now.
Yeah, percentage.
That is directive. Yeah, direct, not page directive. Directive, because we are defining a page over here, so we call it as a page directive. Okay. So normally it's the directive tag. So, okay, whenever you find the percentage symbol, so that is all directive tags. Yeah. Whenever you find this exclamatory symbol, so that is all declaration tag.
Declaration tag. Okay.
Okay. So doc type HTML public. Okay. So this is default. This is a HTML version for that.
Okay.
This is a HTML default version. Okay. So you don't need to memorize and no need to know about this because it's a standard HTML version.
Okay.
This is the link. You can just check it in the link.
Okay.
HTTP w3.org.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The standard version of HTML because we are dealing with HTML tags. See, we have HTML. This is HTML structure. HTML head, body. Yeah. This is all the HTML structure. So inside ASP.NET we are using HTML. So what type of HTML we are using? We want to declare that one. Whether it is HTML 4, 5, whatever the thing. So we have to declare.
Okay.
Okay. So that is a block type HTML public. Okay. And HTML, this one is not required. So because if we are declaring here, right? So this one is not required. But anyway, it's come because it's coming up. You know, open the page. There's no need to bother about this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So second, this is the HTML tag. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language.
Markup language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next tag is header tag.
Header tag.
Okay. So inside the header, we can add the title. Okay. We can have the title of the web page, and we can have the CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, all the files we can include in this header tag.
Okay, sir.
I am just writing my web page.
Okay.
Okay. This is a title for my page.
Okay.
So if you want to add a CSS, we have tag for CSS. We have link, hrefs. So this is adding the CSS file. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Well, so we have relation the style sheet. First was CSS. CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet for designing the web page.
Okay.
Right? And type, you can find text CSS.
Okay.
Okay, closing. So this is how we are adding the CSS pages in the header tag.
Okay.
So next one, we can also add JavaScript and jQuery pages. Okay. So JavaScript and jQuery pages it's all scripting language, JavaScript and jQuery and all. Okay.
Okay.
Script, same thing. Source and define the page. Okay. And type text JavaScript.
Okay.
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 So no need to make this. REL is nothing but relation.
Sorry, sir?
Relation.
Okay.
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 So you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
So these are the pages. So these are the things will be displayed on the header.
Okay.
I just deleted that one. So if I execute this, you can find my web page, the title.
Okay, sir.
You can see here my web page, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the title.
Okay.
Okay. So the point setting yes. Okay.
Okay.
So next we have body tag. So body tag where we can write all the content
Content,
of the website.
Yeah.
So inside body we have form, and we drag and drop down label.
Yeah,
Okay.
and one
And
button.
we drag and drop down button.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are the line break tags.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we now will see the properties. Okay.
Yes.
I'm just going to design page. So label, go to properties. So this is properties for label. Just type the text. Welcome to ASP.NET.
.NET.
Okay, the text will be changed over there.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to give any font, you want to change the color, you can just make it over here, the font color and everything. If you want to make a font color, just make this font. Okay.
Okay.
And you can also make bold. Well, you can just change some few designs for that.
Okay.
Okay. This is the ID for that label.
Okay.
Okay. Just save it and just go and refresh over here. Maybe. Yeah. Right.
Yes, sir.
So welcome to ASP.NET. Well, this is a button. Okay. And next control is a button.
Button.
So I just stop. Okay. Even button also we have properties.
Yes,
You
sir.
can just see it in the. So even text button,
Yeah.
click also make it as next something. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm just typing on text over here.
Yeah.
Next, and this is a button ID, button 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if this is the event, okay, you can just, if I mouse over there, it's displaying events, right?
Okay.
So if you click this, you can find all the events. What are the events? The control as.
Okay.
So this one we have click event,
Yes, sir.
right? Click event we
Yeah.
have. Yeah, that event is displaying. So what I am doing is I have just already double click. We already created the button. So we have.
Yeah.
So I'm just redirect to next page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I just create one more page.
Okay.
You know how to create the page. Go to that website, that project name.
Okay.
Just right click, add new item.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Add new item. One pop-up box will be open to select the page. Okay. So you can select the page, which page you require.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So we require ASPX page. We want to check the extension. What extension we want? We want ASPX page, right? So
Okay.
waveform has the ASPX page. So if you select some other thing, the extension, these are the extensions, right?
Okay.
So the extension will be changed. So you need to be careful what page you are selecting. So you need to check the extension before giving the add.
Okay.
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 So we have two different. This is a waveform ASPX. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This one is a web user control.
It's ASCX.
Yeah. It's ASCX. It's a controller page. Okay. So we'll just come later on this. I'm just saying basic things. No? So we just.
Okay, sir.
So default to .aspx language C# selector. Look at app. So we have a new page, right? So we got the page directory declaration tag. So check for the innovates default to. Okay. The code file is default to .aspx. So all fine. Okay. So I just change the title over here.
Okay.
Next page. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go to the C# file, the button one click event.
Okay.
So once the button click, it should be redirected to next page.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that we have the output client response. Okay.
Yeah.
Dot redirect
Correct.
and give the file name.
Yes.
Which file you want to redirect.
Okay.
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 The file name is default
Q.ASPX.
correct. Fine. So now we execute this. There was an error.
It's default 2.ASPX. I think.
No. It's correct. Now we double click one more thing. No? Button we double click one more time. Do you remember? I just erased it in the C# file. See, it's showing that ASP default ASPX does not contain definition of button 1, click 1. Right? So we just double click one more time the button.
Okay.
So we removed the code in C#, but we didn't remove the code in ASPX page.
ASPX. Yeah.
So go this see here, button click 1. Okay.
Okay.
Go to design, go to control. Okay. So we have to remove this one. Click. Okay.
Okay.
So response dot redirect ULP dot ASPX double quotes. Okay.
Okay.
So do this. Yeah. Right, it redirected. ASPX the default to page.
Yeah.
We are given to change the title to next page. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is perfect. Working.
Okay.
So to redirect the page, we want to make only thing inside the clicky one,
Yes, sir.
like response dot redirect.
Redirect.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll just create one table. Okay?
Okay.
So next control what we have is we'll have let's close this page. Let's close top page also. Okay. Okay. Yes, this page. So go to design. Okay. So we have toolbox. Okay. So inside toolbox we can see various tools. One is standard one. Okay. Another one is data.
Yes.
So data is nothing but which is dealing with the database.
Okay, sir.
So whenever we submit the thing, submit the button, the result should be displayed from the database. So that things of dealing this data is all kind of database stuff, database control. Okay.
Okay.
So this one is validation. So if you want to validate the particular text box, drop down list, checkbox, radio button, okay,
Okay. Okay.
we can validate this. Totally we have 6 validations. Okay.
Okay.
First one is the regular required field validator.
Okay.
Second one is range validator.
Okay.
Third one is the regular expression validator. This is nothing but checking the checking the email ID, whether the email ID is correct or not. Because some of the website will check the email ID also. Whether the email ID is correct or not, the @ symbol, dot symbol, Gmail, Yahoo. So it will check for that.
Okay.
Okay. The range value is nothing but between the range. You can just see if you are signing up any page in website. So it will ask the password. Password should not be less than 3 and should not greater than 8. Right?
Okay, sir.
So you are just seeing that limitations. So minimum password is 3 characters and maximum is 8 characters. Right?
Okay, sir.
So that one is called a range validator.
Okay.
So required field are nothing but whether the value is present in the text box or not.
Okay.
Okay. So for if you are entering an email ID, okay.
Okay.
If you're not entering anything in the form, if you click the button OK or submit, so you should pop up. You should get a display results that no values are entered. Please enter the value. Yep. So that is called required field validator.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And fourth one is the compare validator.
Okay.
Okay. So in the few website you can see password and retype password, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
Password and retype password.
Okay.
So it will check whatever we entered. It will check whether it's correct or not. So it's comparing with another text field.
Okay, sir.
So it's a compare validator. The custom validator also same thing as range validator.
Okay.
So one big difference is custom validator will have an event.
Okay.
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 That is only a difference.
Okay. Okay.
And validation somewhere is nothing but displaying the result. Result where should be displayed. The output errors, messages. So where should display, whether it should display in pop-up or corner, top, middle, bottom. So wherever we require. Okay.
Okay.
So that is called validation controls.
Okay.
Okay. So next we have navigation. So navigation nothing but menu, creating menus, tree view structure, right? That kind of thing we can able to creating controls. Next one we have login. So instead of creating a login, creating a text box, label, submitting, but instead of creating all the things for login, we have default control for login. Okay.
Okay.
I just drag and drop the login control here. You can see over here, right? You can see the username, the password. Remember, be next time login.
Oh yeah.
So instead of creating this, automatically we have a control and we can change the format. We can change the colors, right? Simple like this type of.
Okay.
Okay. So login page, simple login page.
Okay.
Okay. So and also we have login status, login name, change password. Yeah, we'll just see later. Okay, we'll just see one by one controls.
Okay.
So next we have Ajax, the web parts what we have, right?
Okay.
So that is all we are creating layouts for that. Okay, creating a layout for the layout in the sense the text editor. If you are seeing some websites, they will have some text editors.
Okay.
Right? So that kind of thing you can just see a layout editor, property view editor, all the editor controls we have, appearance, everything, editor zone, right?
Okay.
So where we can edit the website and update there itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next one we have Ajax extension. Okay.
Okay.
Ajax is nothing but asynchronous JavaScript and XML.
Okay, sir.
So why you are using for Ajax? Okay. So without refreshing the whole page,
Okay.
I want to refresh only the particular content. For example, we have Facebook, right?
Okay.
So Facebook, when you're commenting and when you're like the some status or some pictures, so if you click the button, it don't update the whole page. It only update the particular comment section. Correct? Are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is called Ajax. That functionality, that thing is done by Ajax.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You got the idea what Ajax works?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Instead of refreshing the whole page, the refreshing only particular content. For example, the Facebook comments.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is the one Ajax, and last we have reporting tools. So if you want to print out the database values, right? If you want to take print out the database values, if you want to create a one report sheet, Excel sheet, and graphs, whatever the thing. So using this report, you can just get the report. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Okay. So we are just seeing most of the controls is standard, right? So we are
Yes,
seeing
sir.
checkbox, link, image button, hyperlink, drop down list, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have any doubts in this first standard controls?
No, sir.
So
I haven't
which
got any doubts.
thing? So which thing you have to know? You just tell me I have doubt in this control. I have to refresh this control. Or shall I take all the examples one more time? What we have seen previously.
Take from these ones. I know about label, take checkbox list, radio buttons.
Radio buttons.
Yeah.
Okay, you want radio button, right?
Yes.
So yeah. So the rest radio. So what I'll do is we'll just check one more time all the examples one by one. Okay. Anyway, it won't take much time for one or two examples, right? So we'll just brush up all the examples tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And Avinash, I have to go now. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
we'll stop the class today. Okay.
Okay.
So from tomorrow at 3 o'clock. So 3 to
3
6,
o'clock.
right?
Yeah, Indian time.
Yeah, 3 o'clock Indian time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will have the classes regularly from tomorrow onwards.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what are the status? You just mail me or just use mail to Danny, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because timing is a big problem for us, so we have to fix the timing before going forward, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So from tomorrow on we'll go for 3 o'clock. So because why I'm leaving now is because I came at 4 o'clock, so I didn't know the timing. Okay. So I'm just sitting for 1.5 hours, so I need to go. I need to go back to that spot. Okay. So don't mind for this. I'm leaving as soon as. So from tomorrow on we'll see all the examples. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow on we will complete as soon as possible. How much I can cover, I'll just cover all the topics without fail.
Okay.
Okay, if you have any doubts, if you have forgotten any topic, you just please ask. I'm ready to take whatever topics you need.
Okay, sir.
Because you paid the fees, you have to ask. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then only we know whether you are learning or not. So if you are asking more doubts, so we think that you are learning and you are getting some ideas and getting some knowledge about this .NET everything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Avinash. So I just forward you. I forward your content, the course content.
Yeah.
I forwarded, right?
Yeah, forward me once again, Manish. You forwarded me, I think.
Okay, fine. I will check the content. What are topics we covered till now?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Even I also forward the content to your brother also, so that he can also update. You can also check what's going on.
Okay, sir.
So please inform your brother also as well. Keep what's happening and everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock sharp. Fine.
Yeah, okay, sir. Fine. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Let's bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.